Okay, so we are on Whitehead, the Blackhead Path. Oh, and it is a day. It's a windy day, windy, wet day. Yeah. Yeah, even though it's gray and windy and I've been wet, it's still walkable. Oh yes, that looks really like something else this weather. Still walking in weather like this. These are the wren's eggs. Very interesting looking, these things. All right. Here we have something to do with coffee. Not sure when this place is open. If you want to do your exercise, you can use these things. But yeah, this coffee place looks pretty nice. If it was open. What I like here is they got this wee hut you can do your bird watching from. So yes, it's really nice to get another day out. It's nice to have a day like this. Be able to go outside and go for a little walk, especially whenever you can find some interesting animals. It's very, very nice to see this. They're getting on well with this house. And this is my favorite sign. Take your litter home with you, please. What a day. And it's begun raining again. Yeah, so changeable today. Actually not. Started off wet. It was windy. And it's wet again. This was lived in. No movement from this bird today. He's just gonna sit there until it's all over. It's definitely not a great day for walking, but still out. Wow. Whoa, yeah. And I'm gonna come to my favorite cave. Oh, we're gonna have some shelter. Shelter. Ooh. Shelter from the elements. So this is sort of the Blackhead side, I would always think. Let's go. It's certainly a workout. Certainly doing this sort of thing keeps you fit. And just thinking I was gonna stay in the car when it arrived. because the weather was just so bad. And there's Blackhead Lighthouse. Woo. What's nice is you can actually stay in these houses. Here we go with another view. Another view. Oh yeah. They've said, go walking you must. Ah. You'd say, you like it, you will. Whoa. What a wonderful day it is. Oh wow. What a walk. Absolutely. Now, what I like is how smooth these stairs are. The question is, are they good in the wet? And the thing is, these stairs are covering all old stairs as well. This is quite interesting the way the sides are here. As long as they hold up. And then you see that there's no other handrail or anything like that here. Kind of dangerous, no? Oh, and the weather feels like it's getting worse now. I'm soaked to the bone. What a day. Okay, so this is the Whitehead to Blackhead water walk this was. It's so wet, but so good at the same time. Hope you have a good day and get out there and enjoy yourself. Have a good one. See you in the next video.